So who is Artony and what is this all about anyway? Nerd, author, martial artist, coach, hypnotist, IT geek, student of the sciences, gamer, human over 40. I wear a lot of hats and have a busy life, so I need to prioritize what I do, who I do it with, and when I do it. Um, Basically, I'm time poor and not very artistic in the traditional sense. But I have an overly active imagination and enjoy creating things to stimulate my mind and to de-stress. So why am I doing this? Basically, it's as a learning technique for myself. If I can teach others, then I know I understand the concept and will get better at it myself. So this is a concept that I picked up as a martial arts coach and figured it would translate over. So why should you do this? It's a great way to get out of your head, forget about work, bills, etc., and de-stress. So the added benefit, you'll have a variety and creativity in your life, learn new skills, and produce amazing artwork that people will love. So you can even sell the art to cover your art supplies and make a bit of pocket money on the side if you care to. So who is this channel for? Anyone that wants to learn a new skill. However, my intended audience is someone that leads a very busy life and doesn't have much time to de-stress and do a hobby. So someone that can spend 10 to 15 minutes during their lunch break watching these videos to learn the techniques, then set aside a specific time on the weekend or whenever they feel comfortable to apply them. So in as little as 10 minutes, you can produce your first artwork, but I recommend setting aside an hour or two to pump out half a dozen pieces and really figure out these techniques. So what will it cover? So the materials required and where I got them, concepts and techniques to use, demonstrations of the techniques, my mistakes and how I fix them, and we can all learn from those mistakes as well. So I'll also include stories of my mishaps so you can laugh with or at me along the way. So I'll sprinkle in an understanding of coaching concepts and principles that tie back into spray art. So my aim is not only to teach a spray art, but to help you understand your motivations, reduce stress, and enjoy life. The easiest way to stay abreast of the videos is to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll ensure the titles give enough detail for easy reference, so you can rewatch, skip, and or share as you see fit. My Facebook and Instagram pages will link to the videos, but their main use is to showcase my paintings. So for some images shown there, I'll add a link to the relevant videos that discusses the techniques used so you can produce something similar and you can just watch the video. So I'd love to see your questions in the comments, but more importantly, I want to see what you create as a result of watching. So please share your artwork and leave a comment on where we can find it. So assuming there's enough interest from the Artonist community, I'll create a Facebook group specifically for that purpose. So I can't wait to see what you produce. Thanks for watching, see you next time, and enjoy getting a step ahead.